Hi. We have done 13.5 switchbacks.
That's true. Wait, that's not true.
No, 19,
we've done 19.5.
13.5 to go.
13.5 to go.
Roughly. We got a great lesson today. Is it still rolling?
The car isn't now.
We got a great lesson today on why you never drive a van.
Or a truck.
Hashtag van life, am I right? Wow.
Wait, we lost count?
No, we're at 3.
Wow, altitude sickness.
I'm sick.
I kept wondering why people would say that on the trail, like, I have altitude sickness. I'm like, dang. Now I realize. It looks nice.
Oh, wow.
Going down.
He's
Where?
just asking
To the
questions.
top of that peak right there.
No. We're not going anywhere. Squeak! What is that?
What? Wait, what the fuck? Dude, this is some crazy altitude sickness. Altitude sickness.
Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, there it is. The summit. Nice. Oh, we're gonna get the lake soon, too. That's so cool. Word. It's so blue. There's an island. That's so cool. There's a goat. Oh my god. Oh, it's munching.
Oh my god. Wow.
Good views or no?
I mean, it's pretty good. Goats.
Maybe I should wait for
Check to do that.
guys. Hey. Pushing me.
Hell yeah.
Nice. Those ones are the best.
Do you want one?
That's okay. I've
You
got
folks
some
heading
bacon.
off? Yeah. That's right.
I am
you?
not.
Just 500 more. It is 1,000 feet though. Okay. Huh.
Oh,
I don't know if that way is better. Is it? Do you think it might be?
I don't know.
I don't know.
If they have crampons, that.
If you have crampons, you can walk up this.
This is gonna be a fail.
How you doing, David?
Crampons, yes.
Should we go down and check out where they are over there?
Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna be any better.
Probably won't be, but
Fail from this crap here.
huh. Yeah, go. Woo!
Yeah, Jason!
Oh my god. It's not that big, right? What are you doing? Oh, it do be kind of deep though.
Oh shit, across.
Yeah. Uh-oh. My ass is gonna be so wet.
Ass is gonna be filled with snow.
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Wet ass time. Woo! Hell yeah! Oh, it's so wet. Jesus Christ. Woo!
This is coming in hot.
Oh, oh, it looks so pure. Oh, dude. Oh, dude.
That's some good shit.
That's good shit.
Yo, don't take it all.
Oh. Dude. That's delicious.
It sprays right in your mouth. Yo. Check
Mm.
out the bubbler.
Ah. Oh, that's so cold.
It's so cold.
All right, this part right here, he says, sketch. Yeah.
There's also like a little box.
Oh, fun. Oh, fuck. Oh, that's cold and that's wet. Oh,
It's all good now. I know the fuck it is. What?
I'm going down. Yeah, that part was a little sus, huh? Okay. Oh, it gets better again. Good job.
You're teaching.
No helmet either. Oh yeah.
Raw dog.
Raw dog in it. Little loose. Oh, more mountains. New views unlocked. Hell yeah.
Wait.
Uh-oh.
Record.
Just...
Hang. Fuck off.
No. I can't, I'm sliding. Wow. Fuck. Is that good with you all?
Yeah.
Voice your opinion now if you don't agree.
Fuck it.
We die like men.
We ball.
Okay. This part's gonna be a little something.
Fuck off, D.
We ball.
That's cool.
Yeah. Yeah, part's rough. Sorry. This isn't terrible. It's grippier here.
This is not the place.
Oh, dumb.
Not that end.
Dude, you're such a genius.
I was like, wait a second, we have access.
All right, this is gonna be very slow going. I feel so much safer.
Wait a second. I have an axe in my hand.
There's a snake in my boot.
This is my thing.
Watch one P2 edit on TikTok. Where you find yourself. Yeah, good job. Oh.
Study items.
Oh no.
Not so far.
Oh, thank God. Oh, yep. That's I don't want a wet ass again. Okay. Well, yep, you're going here.
Going at the start.
Woo! I guess I'm going here too then. All right, here we come. Woo! Oh, I'm so happy to be back. Oh, get me out of here. Ah! Land! Land!
That's
What you do?
That's it is. Fuck.
You gotta get nice and low. The water is
Oh, we're going.
Fucking cold.
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, it's cold.
Okay, we're going back.
Oh, but it's so pretty.
It's gorgeous.